Why are my sent emails not showing in Gmail? If you're wondering why your sent emails are vanishing into thin air in Gmail, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating, especially when you need to keep a record of your sent emails. Let's figure out what might be going on. First, let's check if your Gmail account has reached its storage limit. If you've used up all your storage space, new emails, including sent ones, might not be showing up. To check this, go to your Gmail settings and see if you've hit the limit. If so, you might need to free up some space or upgrade your storage. Another possibility is that there's an issue with your IMAP settings. If you're using an email client like Outlook or Thunderbird to manage your Gmail, the problem might lie in how these emails are being synced. Make sure that the Show in IMAP option is selected for the Sent Mail label in your Gmail settings. You can do this by going to Settings, then the Labels tab, and ensuring Show in IMAP is checked for Sent Mail. Sometimes the problem could be with the email client itself. For example, if you're using Outlook, ensure that the Gmail account is properly configured to save sent emails. Check the Save Copies of Messages in the Sent Items folder option in Outlook settings. Also, verify that the Save Copies of Sent Messages in the Sent Items folder option is enabled in your Gmail account settings under Accounts and Import. Network connectivity issues can also play a role. If your internet connection drops when you press the Send button, the email might not be sent properly, or it might not appear in your Sent folder. However, this shouldn't happen if the email has already been received by the server. It's more about what you see on your end due to a temporary loss of connectivity. Filters can also be a culprit. If you have filters set up in Gmail, they might be moving or deleting your sent emails in ways you're not expecting. Check your filters to see if any are affecting your sent emails. Lastly, if you're using BCC frequently, there might be some intermittent issues related to how Gmail handles BCC emails. Some users have reported that emails sent with BCC sometimes disappear from the sent folder, though this is not a consistent problem. To troubleshoot further, you can try logging into your Gmail account directly via the web interface and checking the Sent Mail folder there. Sometimes emails might be there even if they're not showing up in your email client. By checking these potential issues, you should be able to find out why your sent emails are not showing up in Gmail and take the necessary steps to fix it.